Okay, this is my girl, Charlie. And this is her stupid rope that she loves. Wait a minute. Okay, look at this. Look at this shit. Way up there. Okay? Okay, hold on. And we give it a toss. Oops. Oh, wait a minute. There. Okay, now, you see that? That's huge. And she wants it. You want that rope? Come here. Come on. Charlie dog, come on. Come on, girl. Hey, come here. Skeet. 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 One more time. Okay, come here. Hey. Oh, she's trying. Come here. Come on, right here. Hey, come on. Charlie. Come here. Wait for it. Okay, get it. Look at that shit. It's freaking amazing. Yeah. That's the power of a pit bull. You did a good job. You did a good job. Drop it. Drop it. Go ahead. Drop it. Drop it. Good girl. Good girl. She's so happy. That, my friend, is a tree climbing duck. Ski squirrel. Ski squirrel.